wanted to share with you something new that UniWigs has to offer now. It's actually really cool. It's called a hair topper beginner fit kit, and it includes 3 separate bases. And to give you an idea, this is what the hair is sewn into when they create the toppers. So they gave me 3 different types, and this one is called Clear Mono Base Topper, and it's a 5x5 by 5x5 topper. So you can take these and place them on your head to see where it'll fit on the crown of your head, and so it'll give you an idea of where your clips will be. The next one is called the Courtney Mono Base, and here she is. And this one is 7x8. So if we put that on, so you can see where it would fit on your head. And then we have the Savannah, and this one is a 9x9. So put it on, and it gives you all of that room to work with for parting. Another cool thing that's included in the fit kit is this 8-inch hair piece for color matching. So let's show you how this guy works. You have the clips, and then you can just sit it on there wherever you want, really, but I'm going to put it where the part is so you can see how the color looks. So that's a really good deal that UniWigs is offering, because we're not always certain, and especially if you're new to wearing hair, you don't really know what it's going to be like on, like what size of cap you need, where you're going to want those clips. So having these pieces to test out on your scalp beforehand really make a big difference.